Hey everybody, we are back and we're going to go ahead and put together our 1862 pocket police. The first step we'll go ahead and take the hammer, and you got this hole right here, and we're going to take the hand and put that into place. Now this is probably the most trickiest part when it comes to the Colts, is to get this back in place. You got this slot right here that the hand slides into. So try your best to slide it in there. Alright, it looked like I got it in there. We're going to go ahead and hold this into place, match up the hole, and go ahead and take the screw for the hammer. Just kind of work our way in there, and always kind of find it with your fingers. Don't go straight for the bolt or straight for the screw. Once you got it in there, then we'll go ahead and tighten it up. Alright, to test it out and make sure everything works, go ahead and pull this back. You should see the hand. Close, hand, close, hand. Alright, the next stop we're going to put the bolt in. And the bolt piece goes into that slot right there. So slide that in beside the hammer. Once you get that in, go ahead and take your screw for the bolt, work it in. There we go. There we go. The biggest thing is that you gotta play with it. Get everything lined up so you can go ahead and get it into the slot and screw it into place. The next part is going to be the trigger. And the trigger goes on this side. There. Match up the holes. Alright, the next part is going to be the spring for the trigger and the bolt. Basically, pretty simple. The long part goes on the trigger, the short part goes on the bolt. So line it up good. Take the screw. Let's screw it in. Nicely snug for this piece. After you got all these internals put in like this, we're going to go ahead and start with the trigger guard. Definitely make sure you're set up like a triangle I have, or put them back where they go, because there's some different sizes here. The two in the back are longer and the one in the front are shorter. Then once you get them all in, I don't like to go super tight at first. Just kind of get them, make sure they all line up. Then we can go ahead and make sure they down all the way. Next part, we're going to put the mainspring on. Line out like that. Take my big one, my 300-1. Ahead. Tighten it all the way. There we go. And since we've gone this far, it's always best to go ahead and do a system check because all the springs are in. So right now, the hammer is down and the bolt is up. Go ahead and go to see, that's why you need to do function tech. Is I actually don't have this over all the way, so it's getting caught on there. So let's go ahead and get that more in the center. It's kind of funny that I did that, but that's why you do a functions check before you put everything 100% together. Because something as simple as that, and it would be annoying to take it apart again when it's just that. So, bolt is up. Go half cock, bolt should be down. You got the hand that's a little bit up. And then go full cock. Hand is all the way out. And bolt is all the way out. Then, when you go back down, hand, bolt should be in place. So half cock, cylinder can freely spin. Full cock, bolt is out, hand is out, bolt stays up. Function check done. So the next part, we're going to go ahead and put the grip back on. So go ahead and put that together. Switch to our 380-1. So, again, they're not all the same size. The ones on top are smaller. The one on the bottom is bigger. So you gotta make sure you know which one goes where. Alright. Put them in semi-tight. So you can get all these lined up. Alright. Now that we got that done, we're going to go ahead and do the cylinder. Go ahead and line that up. Take a nipple wrench. Cylinder is done. Half cock. Alright. Now we're going to go ahead and do the barrel. We're going to start with this piece. Slide it in. And then we're going to get this in. And basically, you're going to push it till you feel it kind of drop. There. Okay. Push this back out till it aligns. Take the screw for it. Line it up. Okay. Screw it in. Now, there we go. You don't super crank it like I did, but you also don't want it too loose either. So that's why I normally don't take this one apart. You gotta play with it a little bit, and I just like having it kind of square away, ready to go. Think it would be good right there. Yeah, it's good right there. So then, go ahead, put that in there. Now, we are going to go ahead and here is the wedge. So, go ahead and slide in the wedge a little bit. Then we got the screw for the wedge. Alright. So now the wedge won't come out. And we are done. All you need to do is like normal. Get this in the way. We just let wedge forward. Get a little love tap. Oh. Then give it enough of a love tap. Love tap. There we go. And now, you do another functions tap. Half cock, freely spins. Full cock. Doesn't move. Everything's lined up, looking good. Down slowly. Bolt didn't go down, so the cylinder didn't move. 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's it. You're ready to go to the range and have some fun. But y'all have a wonderful day. That's all I got. And stay safe out there.